Hi everyone, and welcome to our 2019 Garden Trends video series, where we take a closer look at the 8 trends detailed in our Garden Trends report, Rooted Together. If you haven't checked that out, there's a link below in the description. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Get Minted trend. No longer considered outdated, vintage mint green is making a comeback in home decor and in the garden. People are obsessed with this new neutral, an oxygenating fresh tone of mint that harmonizes science and technology with plant life and nature. This color embodies a move away from ultra-feminine hues of last year, such as millennial pink, to a more gender-neutral color. This vintage color, now dubbed Neo Mint, is re-emerging in design and taking on new life in 2019. And will dominate the worlds of fashion and interiors in 2020. This color ushers in a new decade of optimism and a return to nature. The bluish-green hue of Neo Mint is soft, upbeat, and easy to decorate with, yet it's not boring or predictable. In the garden, this color can be used to refresh your backyard or patio furniture and accessories. Try filling your garden with blue-green colored flowers such as hydrangeas, orchids, and even shrimp plants, which will bring a spirit of life, renewal, and energy to the garden. But the popularity of mint in 2019 is not just about the color, but the plant itself. Mint is easy to grow, requires little care, and you can cut as much as you need. Mint is more than just an herb for tea and mojitos. This multi-purpose herb is a great pollinator plant for bees and butterflies, but biting insects don't love this plant quite as much, so be sure to plant around patios and walkways to deter them. Mint also has ancient healing benefits, aiding digestion, freshening breath, and improving gut health, which is also a 2019 food trend. Smelling strongly scented plants has been shown to raise mental awareness and increase heart vitality. And as always, for more information or to see what else we have to offer, visit our website at www.gardenmediagroup.com.